Hey everyone, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. It is time for another BoxyCharm unboxing video. So for those of you who don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service. You pay $25 a month for the basic one. I believe there is a BoxyCharm Luxe, I want to say. I should know this by now, but I get the basic one, like the standard one. I've been very happy with it. I've been getting it for years now, but yeah, so let's get started. Also, each box is set to value at over $100. I will leave the link to all of that below. If you guys would like to sign up, feel free to do so. But this is for the month of October. Let's see October. Let's see what we got.
Let's see.
Here we got the little card. It tells us everything we got and the price of everything. So let's take a look. Ooh. Let's put this up here. Okay.
Confetti.
Confetti. All right. So the first thing that I see is by Ciate. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Ciate London. It's the Editor Palette New England. It's an 18-piece eyeshadow palette. I was going to do a try on, but I thought that would take too long and I have things to do. So this looks really pretty. This is what the palette looks like. Now let's see how much it goes for. This goes for $32. Let's open it up and see what the colors look like.
Okay.
Ooh.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Ooh.
This is quite the colorful palette. I don't know why. I wasn't expecting it to be so colorful. So it looks like there's a couple of mattes in here, some shimmery ones, and some glitter ones. Should we do a few swatcheroos?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try it. Let's do a couple of mattes. I'll take this matte shade right here, gold sparkle, and I'll get this like a deep shimmery one. That one felt nice. This is a matte one. This is a more like glittery one, and this is like a shimmer. So let's see. And if you hear my little ones, well, my oldest one's here. If you hear my baby, she's here. All right. All right, so just looking at the swatches, the matte was nice. This one, the more like shimmery metallic one, that one felt the creamiest out of all of them, and I feel like that swatched the best probably. The glittery one, a little underwhelming just based off of the swatch, but I don't know. I'll try it out and see. Let's see the description. Yeah, metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye look. I did a matte. The gold, I guess, was the glitter, and this one was a metallic one. So out of the three, I feel like the metallic one went on the best, but I will play around with this. This is, ooh, there you go. Very colorful. You want to do some swatches? Go ahead. Okay. The next thing that I have is the Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rhodial. Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. This Rhodial, I don't know. Soft Focus Glow Drops. This, whoa, okay. So this goes for $60. That's a little hefty. It's supposed to give a lit from within glow. Skincare makeup hybrid. Wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. I have definitely been more about like the glowy type of look lately. This packaging looks so nice. You get 31 mils, 1 fluid ounce.
Look at my swatch.
Ooh, good job. These are her swatches. They look good. You're so good at swatching. You think you're gonna be my official swatcher. Okay, so you're supposed to shake it well before using. Oh, that
Can
smells.
you see, Mom?
Yeah, this
Can
is a
you smell?
primer. Yeah.
It smells like peach and lemon.
Peach and lemon. I wonder what's in here, but it does smell like something.
Peach and lemon.
Peach and lemon, she says. I don't know. I smell something in there, but very pretty. I'll try that out. Let's see. The next thing that I got is by Real Her. I've gotten a few things by this company through BoxyCharm. I've gotten a few things from them, but this is the cheek trio. Okay, so this looks like it's a blush, a highlight, and a bronzer trio. The Real Her, the Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio goes for $28. Let's do the blush, the highlight, and, oh, let's wipe that off, and the bronzer. The bronzer looks pretty. Okay, so let's see that. Here we have the blush. Pinky. Here's the highlight.
I wonder what
That's pretty.
name is it?
And here's the bronzer. That actually looks really pretty. It's Blessed, Goddess, and Incredible. So, very cool. I like that it comes with a little mirror too. All right, a couple more things. Ooh. we got some lashes. I love me some lashes. These look beautiful. This is Lava Lashes Los Angeles. I think I'm saying that right. Lava. I don't know if it's Lava A. There's 2 A's there. A Charm Faux Mink Lash. It goes for $20. I've never heard of this brand before, but the lashes look really, really beautiful. And this is in the style Charm, I believe. So these look really, really pretty. Like dramatic, but soft. I think you guys can see. Very nice. Okay, cool. And last but not least, it's by Sol de Janeiro. This is their Brazilian Kiss Tinted Cupuaçu. I don't know how to say that. Lip butter. Keep It Rio Lip Butter. And this goes for $20 as well. I feel like most people know this company because of the Bum Bum Cream, and I actually do like that a lot. I really like the smell of it. So this is in Keep It Rio. I wonder if it smells. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, it smells sweet. This smells really sweet. I'm gonna swatch it right over here. Okay, so I feel like it's not pigmented, which I'm okay with that. Oh, I like that.
Can I do a swatch?
Mm-hmm. There's like a little bit of color in there, but I feel like that's perfect. And I'm so glad I got this because I really needed something because I have like lip gloss and lipstick, but I don't have any like lip balm. So.
You do have lip balm.
I do?
Yeah.
Where?
I think so.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I
I think I have lip balm.
You do. You have lip balm. But now I have a lip butter, so that's great. So.
Mommy, I can share my lip balm.
Thank you. I'll share mine too, okay?
Okay.
Thanks. Okay, so let's go over real quick. We got a full-size eyeshadow palette. We got these. We got these primer glow drops. This cheek trio. These beautiful looking lashes. And this lip butter. So very, very nice. I'm very excited about that. I feel like this was a good box. Okay, so let me know if you guys get BoxyCharm as well. Let me know what you got. If you have been interested, personally, I highly recommend BoxyCharm if you're able to get it and want it. I haven't really been disappointed. Obviously, there are always like some hits or misses, but like generally, I think it's really great. And I also like that I get to try all these products without actually going out and buying all these products. So yeah, that does it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, and let me know which products of these that you may want to see me try for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, ring the bell, say happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.